Hi guys, good afternoon. We're at Subungkogon, Mantianak Park. We're going inside Mantianak Park. Okay. Oh, ito yung entrance ticket namin, oh. 755 for 9 person. Yay. Okay, we're going to the entrance. Okay, see you there, guys. Guys, andito na kami sa entrance, guys, oh. Sa Mantianak Park at Subungkogon. Okay. Entrance.
Ay, wala ka ma.
Once ako na be.
It's time to go to Zala.
Dodong. Happy ka?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Papunta na kami ng kung saan yung mga animals nakalagay. Okay, let's go. Guys, ito yung una nating madadatnan dito sa Mantianak Park, guys. May mga bibi. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito, guys, oh. Genpol. And quail.
What's that?
Quail. Oh, chicken.